Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my bad hair day, dirty hair day. Today's video, as you can see, is gonna be three very interesting styles, very never seen before styles. Hairstyles for my dirty hair, for your dirty hair. And I don't know, I just really wanted to do another hair tutorial. I haven't done one for a really long time. Usually I color my hair in my hair tutorials. I'm not up to coloring my hair for a while. Definitely not. I just want to keep it natural. So I decided I'm gonna do like some 3 different hairstyles that you can do, manage your hair when it's that dirty like I have. Like 3 days I haven't washed my hair. Just I'll show you how to manage your hair when it's this dirty. You don't have time to wash it, but you still want to look presentable outside of the outside world.
No. Outside? In that I don't know what I was going to say.
Anyways guys, let's stop a ramble and let's get into my hair tutorial. Ooh. So I hope I'm far away from the camera so you can see all the hair. Like, it's really dirty. 3 days haven't washed. Disgusting. I do feel like when your hair is more dirty, they are more easier to manage and actually make something nice on your head. Now it's like really like frizzy, but it is very straight, so I do want to curl it a little bit. I'm just gonna use my regular straightener just to quickly go through and curl my ends because I want some texture in my hair. So let's do that first and then start on. And then I'll show you the first hairstyle. So usually when I just want to quickly curl my hair, I just use a regular straightener. I'm just gonna section my hair in 2 halves and we're just gonna brush it out. Oh, it's so frizzy, like I hate when my hair is like this. But this is what happens when you don't do anything for 3 days with your hair. You just tie them up every morning and you don't even brush them out. So yeah, that's my hair life for the last 3 days. And now when we have brushed all the hair, just gonna take small sections and curl them. I'm sure most of you guys know how to curl hair with the iron straightener, so this is how I do it. So one side doesn't take more than 5 minutes. If you are new in the straightening, curling thing, maybe it's gonna take 10 minutes, but it's definitely not that hard. So it takes maximum 5 minutes for one side for me. Kiki, weren't you searching? Weren't you searching there? Where's the jump, huh? No! So when the hair is finished being curled, then it's time to wash it a dry way, which means our best friend, dry shampoo. I'm using the YESSSSS dry shampoo with coconut. So usually when I put dry shampoo, first I always put like in the front hairline, which is gonna be obviously the most visible part of my hair. Then I'm going in the middle section, and then after, it depends like how my hair is gonna be styled. If it's just open, I leave it like that. If I'm gonna maybe do like a half ponytail or something, I'm just gonna go around that section where you can see my roots. But right now, I'm just gonna spray the front. This is almost finished and I did not know that I don't have extra. I mean, I have the Batiste, but I really don't like it. But I think we have to go and get it because this is finished. shut. Instead of that one, I'm gonna use now Batista. This is the original one, and don't get me wrong, it's not like I hate it, but I just really don't like it. It's too crusty in my hair, and even though if you brush out the white powder like with your hands, I still feel like it's so crusty and visible. Then for example, the husk, it really melts in your hair and your hair doesn't look white and it doesn't look crusty, and it's just really good. But this one is very, I don't know, it's very heavy. But well, we're gonna use whatever we have right now. So I went around the hairline. Now I look like I have gray hair. And now we're gonna go like in the middle section. Mostly focusing it like in this area, because this area is the one that is always the most oiliest. I just take like the hair like this and spray it. You see how white it is? Like, what the hell? Then I'm just gonna go with my fingers inside the hair and just like brush it in. So it really melts in the hair and sucks all the excess oil. So, okay, the preparation for our dirty hair is done. We have made our hair look less oily, and we have given some texture with the curling and of course the dry shampoo. Dry shampoo always gives a little bit more texture to the hair. That's why I actually really love to use dry shampoo sometimes, even on clean hair. So the first hairstyle I'm gonna do is half updo, and it's actually one of my favorite hairstyles ever. Even with clean hair, I really like the half updos, but I do feel like when your hair is more dirty and more texturized, it looks more better and it's not like a flat spaghetti. Just gonna go like more to the up, because I like the half updo like very high. Almost like Ariana Grande style. Then we just run through with our fingers. I'm not gonna use the hairbrush because I don't want very neat and clean style. I want that messy, a little bit messy. And I'm gonna take a hair tie and mostly like trying to focus it to the front. Like push your hair roots to the front and tie it very tightly. Gonna make a little bit more puffy the front by taking out a little bit the hair. I'm gonna keep this ponytail in the front and just spray a little bit around here with the dry shampoo, because it is like more visible section, so we want to make sure it's clean. Again, just brush with our fingers. And I'm gonna take a small piece of this ponytail and just like go around to cover the hair tie. Like super duper easy cheesy hairstyle. And we're gonna take a little bobby pin and pin it so it stays in place. You can just take and brush a little bit here to make it more fluffy so it really stays. Gonna put some hairspray, just a little bit, and what is this little hair up? And here you can use like a little bit hairspray to fix the baby hairs, which I could definitely do. I just take the small brush, spray it with hairspray, and just lightly stick it on the hair. And our first hairstyle for dirty hair is ready. updo, I'm just gonna do the middle portion, I don't know. I'm just gonna section my hair in the middle and zhuzhen a little bit my hair so they become messy. And just like take a middle, take the hair half, and then slowly adding. So I still want to keep that middle section existing, so I push down the front hair a little bit. Then we take a hair tie and just tie it up. And very tightly. Then we take a few pieces here out, so it's not like very tight. We want it messy, okay? So when we have this messy ponytail, take by the end and just go around that ponytail, and just whatever happens there happens. We don't want to make it beautiful, we just want to make it messy and go around with the hair tie like this, and just like again make it messy. Pull the hair from all the sides. You can take the bobby pins, the small bobby pins, and just in different places tie in the hair. Whenever you feel like it's a bit too loose. And something like this. This is our messy updo. Mummy style hair. I really like when it's like these pieces hanging out of the hair, and it just looks very mummy style. Very wifey material, if you know what I mean. The last but certainly not least hairstyle is the third one, and this is actually I think my favorite one, even though I like really the first one so much. But this one I do a lot in my daily routine, hair routine, dirty hair routine. This is probably my most used hairstyle if I go out somewhere when my hair is like very dirty. So yeah, basically it's actually super easy. All I do is just brush my hair in a ponytail. So this one I do want to have like brushed hair. So I really go in with the brush and brush it all around. So it's nice and neat, real tight, so that our eyes becomes like very fierce. And we are again taking our hair tie and tying up our hair real tight, real tight. And before we go in the ponytail, we just brush all the baby hairs around. And I'm gonna take hairspray, spray first the front and brush it through, kind of like stick my hair again. And now we have very nice and neat hair. And what I do, I just braid a braid. But don't make it very tight. I do like it very loose for this one because of what we're gonna do. We just need the braid very loose, so we braid it loosely, not very tight. We take a small rubber band and we're just gonna loosen up a little bit down the tie, and we're gonna slowly take out from the sides of the braid little bit hair, just to kind of fluff it up a little bit. Again, that's it. Super easy. And yeah, this is my, not maybe by the looks, favorite hairstyle, but definitely the easiest, so I always go for this one. For this one you don't even have to do the dry shampoo. Sometimes I just brush my dirty hair up because they really stand when you do the slick hair when they are dirty and oily. And yeah, and then I just braid it like this, and that's it. Super easy cheesy. Yeah guys, that was it for today's video. How to do 3 easy, I hope easy for you guys, hairstyles for dirty, oily hair. And yeah, let me know comments down below if you do use any of these hairstyles in your daily hair routine. And hopefully I did give you some tips and tricks how to fix your hair when you don't have time or you don't have the opportunity to wash your hair. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know also down below if you would like to see more hair tutorials. Maybe give me ideas what you would like me to do with my hair, and I will definitely will think about it. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Sunday. Mwah! I'm sweat head to toe. I'm start to make you nervous, and I'm going to you think you got me figured out, the seasons already changing. Shit. Why?